Think in English. Hello and welcome to English with Altaf. I'm your host, Altaf.
And I'm Sarah. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most important skills in English learning: how to think in English.
Thinking in English can really improve your fluency and help you speak faster and more confidently.
Yes, and don't worry, we'll guide you step by step in a simple way. So, stay with us till the end.
Let's begin by understanding what it means to think in English.
Thinking in English means that you try to make your thoughts, your daily ideas, and even your conversations in your mind happen in English, not in your native language.
Exactly. For example, when you are walking in the street and you see a tree, instead of saying the word tree in your own language, you say tree in English in your mind.
This is a great habit to develop, and it makes a big difference in the way you speak.
Let's talk about the benefits of thinking in English.
When you think in English, you stop translating from your native language. This saves time and helps you speak faster.
And when you speak faster, you feel more confident. You don't get stuck searching for words.
Also, you begin to feel the language. You understand the natural way to say things.
Yes, it's like speaking becomes automatic.
Now let's discuss how to start thinking in English.
Good idea. The first step is to start small. Begin with simple words.
For example, when you see a cup, just say cup in your mind. When you see a car, say car.
Exactly. It's like naming everything around you in English.
You can also try to make short sentences in your mind, like, I am walking to the market, or this tea is hot.
Very good. You don't need to make difficult sentences in the beginning, just simple thoughts.
The second step is to use your daily routine to practice.
That's right. When you wake up in the morning, try to say your actions in English. For example, I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face.
This helps your mind get used to English in your daily life.
Also, try to make a habit of asking and answering small questions in your mind, like, what should I eat today? Then answer, I will eat bread and eggs.
This practice improves your thinking speed and builds your vocabulary.
Step 3 is talk to yourself in English.
That's a great tip. Many people are shy to speak in English, but when you talk to yourself, there's no fear.
Yes. Stand in front of a mirror and talk. Describe how your day was. For example, today I went to the office. I worked for 8 hours. I met my friend.
It doesn't matter if you make mistakes. The goal is to train your brain.
Mistakes are part of learning. Don't stop. Keep going.
Another great way to think in English is by reading and listening to English.
Yes. When you read books, short stories, or news in English, your mind starts to understand how sentences are made.
You also learn new words. Then, when you think in English, you can use those new words.
Same goes for listening. Watch English videos, listen to podcasts, or even songs.
Try to understand the meaning without translating.
With time, your brain will start to think in English naturally.
One more tip is to use English apps or journals.
Yes, you can use apps like Duolingo, or you can keep a daily journal in English.
Write about your day in English. Even just 5 lines a day can help.
This way, you are not only writing, but also thinking in English before you write.
And it also improves your grammar and spelling.
Let's not forget about visual thinking.
Oh, yes, that's very helpful. When you see a picture or an object, try to describe it in English in your mind.
For example, if you see a picture of a park, think, there are children playing, the grass is green, the sun is bright.
This is a fun way to practice and build your imagination in English. Let's quickly review some common problems that learners face when trying to think in English.
Problem number 1, translating from your native language. This slows you down.
Problem number 2, fear of making mistakes.
Problem number 3, lack of vocabulary.
To solve these problems, start small, practice daily, and don't be afraid of mistakes.
And read or listen to English as much as you can.
Now let's give a small task to our viewers.
Yes. Dear viewers, for the next 24 hours, try to name everything around you in English. Make simple sentences in your mind.
Even if you can only do it for 10 minutes in the beginning, that's okay. Practice every day.
And try to speak to yourself in English at least once a day.
Before we say goodbye, let's quickly review what we've learned in this video.
Sure. We talked about what it means to think in English and why it is important for speaking fluently.
We gave you simple tips, like starting with small words, using daily routine, talking to yourself, reading, listening, and journaling in English.
We also talked about common problems and how to avoid them.
So, start thinking in English from today. You will see great results soon.
Thanks for joining us on English with Altaf.
Take care and keep practicing. See you in the next video.
Goodbye.